Now, usually when we think about ChatGPT or like GPT-4, right, we think of that as a single model, right? You should be able to ask ChatGPT a question today, and if I ask the same question tomorrow or next week, it should give you mostly the same answer back, right? It's the same model. But I think what's really interesting is that these models are changing over time, right? Because they are getting feedback from the humans, right? This process called reinforcement learning from human feedback. They're also getting additional fine tuning. So the model, it's not the same model, right? ChatGPT, a week or a month from now, it could be a very different model from the one that we're working with right now, right? So this actually motivated us to try to monitor how does the behavior of these generative AI, like large language models, how does the behavior actually change over time, potentially as a result of interacting with users and users like us. And you might have expected that these models should be getting better and better over time, or at least that's our hope, right? They should be improving. But maybe the big surprise that we found was that that's the case in some aspects, right? So these models are getting better in some of the components. Maybe they're getting safer, for example, right? GPT-4 is getting safer over time. However, the model is also getting worse, substantially worse in many of the other components, right? So for example, if I ask the model to do chain of thought reasoning, which is a common technique, right? So the ability of ChatGPT-4 to do chain of thought reasoning, that seems to have really degraded over time.